Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a four stars Sudoku. Four stars Sudoku in the additional of the weekend edition. Yeah, the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, January the 25th, 26th, 2025 is today actually Sunday. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left, the binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, it's the 4 stars Sudoku number 9974. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. The 4-star Sudoku in the additional has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 3 threes. We have here 4 fours. Well. 3 fives. 3 sixes. 3 sevens. 2 eights. And 1 9. So the 4s are in majority. Can I start with the 4? Yeah, 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, from the first row. Only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. On the last column, no, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left, 2 should be there. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there. In this big square, we need a 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 in this box, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5, 5. Then 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. The only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the third column. The only place level 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the third column, so no 1 there. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between, only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6, 6, okay. 6 here. Need a 2, need a 9, need a 5, okay. 5 and 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 9 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next to the last column. The only 2 places level 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then 9, 9, 9, 9. Yeah. 9, 9, 9. 3, 3, 3. Need a 1. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only place level 2 should be there. Need 2 here. Need 2 there. 2 here. Need 6 here. Come on. Think. 7. 7. The 1 here. Need a 6 here. 1, 6. I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. 3. In this picture we need a 3. We have 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Same for the 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 9, 9. 3, 3. So what are these 3 missing numbers? Well, we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. The 7 here or there. In this column, 3 missing numbers. The middle column, 1 of the missing numbers is 7. Here give me 7, we have 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here give me 7, we have 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. Only place level 7 should be here, so 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there, so 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 9, 3, and need a 8 here. 8, 9, and 3. Okay, 9 and 3 are left here. 8. Come here. 8 and 2 are missing. 8 and 2. Come on. Need a 9 here. No 7. In this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Same for the 3. We have a 3 in the third row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in that box. So the 3 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 7 in the last column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 and 8 is missing here. 1 and 8. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this one, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next to last column. The only place level 8 should be there. 1 box left now in the last column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. Let me mark those. Here we have 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 more. Oh, 2 and the 9 are left here. Let me mark those. Then 1, yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so the third row, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 or a 9, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 9. 2 or a 9, we have a 9 there, so this box should be a 2. 2 or 9, we have a 2 in this big square, so this box should be a 9. Then 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square, 1 of the missing numbers are 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left with a 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 and a 3, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above the only place level 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. We have a pair in this column, 2 missing numbers. 3 and 8 in this column. 3 and 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places level 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 1 now in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 3 and a 7, we have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and 8, we have 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 8 goes there. The final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 13 minutes. Well, cannot believe this again. Not the 4, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well, pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also all by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.